first I'm going in and priming the eyelids with the Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm just blending this in with a damp makeup sponge.
Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to.
Next, I'm going in and brushing and filling in my eyebrows with the Precisely My Brow Pencil from Benefit.
I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out, I can help you out.
As always, I'm first going in with a cream shade and just blending this all over my eyelid to give a really nice clean canvas. To start this eye makeup look out, I'm going in with the light brown transition shade in the Wet n Wild palette, and I am just blending this in my crease using a windshield wiper motions.
Ain't no one to ride to. Here we go again. Call me up and you wanna be my friend. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to.
Now I'm applying a dark brown shade to the outer corner of my eye and blending that back and forth from the center point of my eye all the way to the outer corner.
I can help you out, 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 I can help you out. Look, if you
now I'm going in with that dark orange kind of red shade and applying that to the outer corner just to sort of intensify the look and making sure to really blend that in well and keeping it only in the outer V part of the eye.
I can help you out, I can help you out.
Now I'm going in with that pumpkin orange shade and applying that to the rest of the lid with a fluffy brush.
Help you out.
To add some sparkle, I'm going to go in with the two glitter shades. I'm going to start with the orange shade and work that into the middle part of the eye, and then I'm going to go in with that gold shade and put it towards the inner corner of the eye. Now I'm going in with an eyeliner brush and that black eyeshadow from the palette and creating a winged line on both eyelids. For the face, I'm going in with my favorite foundation at the moment, which is the Tarte Face Tape Foundation, and I'm applying that with a damp makeup sponge.
I can help you out, 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 I can help.
Now I'm going in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and applying that under the eyes and under my nose, on my chin, and my forehead to kind of give a little bit of highlighting and to brighten everything up under the eyes.
Here we go again. Call me up and you.
Now I'm going in with my favorite bronzer, the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I am applying that to my cheeks, my forehead, and my jawline. And then I'm actually going to go back in with a different brush, my favorite contouring brush, and I'm just going to contour out the cheekbones, the forehead, and then around my nose.
I can help you out, 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 I can help you out.
lastly, I'm adding my blush and highlighter to the cheeks just to add some color and sparkle. Head on over to the blog to check out all the product details and for more photos of this look, and don't forget to subscribe.